To calibrate an S700 manually, we will first need to shut active yield off. Select the menu button, go to Calibrations and Procedures, select active yield, and turn active yield off. Scroll to the bottom of Calibrations and Procedures and select Yield Calibration. You will want to perform a mass flow vibration calibration before performing the yield calibration. It is simply above in the calibrations list. For now, we will skip that procedure and jump into yield. To run a new calibration load, simply press record, press the start button, and begin harvesting. You will have an indication in terms of mass flow rate to help gauge different flow rates, so you can run different flow rates by running different speeds. Then you will see the total amount of pounds collected in each sample. We will need to run at least 3,000 pounds to collect an adequate sample. Once your pass is complete, select Done. You can then see we have one unmatched sample. We can press Match Scale Weight, select Scale, and then type in the actual weight from a certified scale. Select Save. We can see that load was 2.8% error. We can then run another calibration load at a different speed. Simply press record again, press start, and begin harvesting again. We will progressively want to run potentially 4 to 5 different calibration loads at different speeds and flow rates. Once this calibration is complete, select Done, press Match Scale Weight again. We can see we still have one unmatched sample. Type in the scale weight, select Save. We can proceed to do that for as many calibration loads as we would like. For some advanced options, we can select the Advanced Settings arrow. We can choose auto or manual calibration mode in terms of sample selection. We can also go into Edit and select samples to view all of the collected loads, select the ones we would like to use, and select Save to update our calibration. That is how you update an S700 with a manual yield calibration, shutting active yield off.